Right, before you watch this video, I would highly suggest you to watch the previous video on this channel where I have done an unboxing, review and some tests for the BOYA BY M1 microphone, and that video should pop up right about now. But what I did forget during the testing period was this microphone isn't just meant for smartphones. This microphone can also be used in laptop, in cameras and basically heavier equipment other than just your smartphone. So since I just only did the test on my smartphone previously, as you can see the panel here, all you have to do is just put in a battery here and just turn on to the camera mode. You can use the off mode for smartphone, so all you have to do is just whack it on to the camera mode and it should have a considerable difference or even considerable noise cancellation qualities too. So in this video what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be comparing this option for both mobile versus my laptop. So first option is just the off. If I also have done my research and if I do put it on camera mode and then connect it to my smartphone, then it just doesn't record any voice. So doing a test with camera and without camera option in both my smartphone, that test is just useless. So what we are going to be doing today is comparing the smartphone mode with the camera mode on my laptop, and we are going to be doing that with and without some background noise. So right here, right now, this is how I am speaking without the camera option. It is basically in the off or slash smartphone position, so it is not using any of the battery that I have put it in the adapter. So now let me switch it on to my laptop. Now you may see the same thing, my mic here, but it is actually somewhat connected to my laptop instead of my microphone, and I'm just recording the video on my smartphone as compared to the audio on my laptop, and I have put it on the camera mode, so it should have a much clearer mic quality than compared to my smartphone. So can you guys hear me properly? Is it any different than the one I was using on my smartphone? It is the same mic, it is just a different setting where it is using the battery that is provided in the box. All you have to do is just switch on the mode to camera and it should work considerably better. So is it working better or not? So now that we've tested this, now we can move on to testing it with background noise, and this is where we should really see a considerable difference in sound quality. Let's switch on some background music or just noise because I don't want to get copyright. You might hear a weird background noise. That is just my ceiling fan going off like in the previous test, and the adapter is on off or smartphone option. So you should be able to hear the air, the voice, the sound through the pop filter which is just put on the mic, and it is currently recording through my smartphone. So it should not be doing much noise cancelling, which we already knew about in the previous test, in the previous video. So boy oh boy, I am hoping for big things when I switch it on to my laptop. I am really hoping for some good noise cancellation. Let's try that out. So the moment of truth, the background noise is on and it is through my laptop with the camera setting on, so it should be using the power adapter and it should be doing a relatively good job at cancelling the background noise with the adapter. So this is what we've been waiting for. I have not heard it and I have not done anything before, so I will have to hear it. But can you guys hear me properly, or is that interference similar, somewhat less or somewhat more than the previous settings? So let me know that, because I have to now go and hear back word of the voice, and let's see what the results are. Well, I guess we're back to that phase of disappointment where we were in the video number 1. So what did I learn after listening back to both the audio? What I did learn is not only did it do an amazing job at cancelling the background noise, it also literally tried cancelling my own noise. I could literally hear my own voice tripping all over the place and I could just not hear myself clearly even with the camera option. This microphone just doesn't want to record clear, crisp, without any background noise voices. I just don't know what's up with this camera. The best you can get out of it is literally by plugging it into your smartphone with the smartphone option, which is basically without using the adapter which they have provided you with. And basically the noise cancellation just sucks. That's all I'm gonna say. Even with excess power through your laptop, which was plugged in, by the way, it wasn't just an unplugged laptop, so yeah, it did have a good power supply which you would get in a PC. So yeah, that's not an excuse. So yeah, another disappointment. I was excited to make this video too, because guess what, I really thought that, oh, finally I would be able to get this out and make it look like, oh, I finally got a good mic. But hey, guess not. Alright, but yeah, that is it. I am not making another video on this stupid mic, but yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this was useful, and I hope you would just look at other options rather than this microphone. And I will see you guys in another different type of video. Goodbye. Hey you! Yes, you! Are you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? No? Well, then you definitely should. It's free. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now! Or your mom's a hoe.